The streets of Zimbabwe's capital are once again a theater of tension, with heavily armed police blocking thoroughfares and stifling anti-government protests before they can even gather momentum. Yet beneath the familiar clouds of tear gas and the ominous presence of police batons, a far more intricate and clandestine narrative is unfolding. This is not merely about killing student activism. It is a profound exposure of a deep-seated factional infighting within the ruling ZANU-PF party, a battle for succession, and threatens to redefine the nation's political future. Sabina Mashkobdani questions the factional fire, the hidden succession battle behind the Mnangagwa protest. Not for subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnamuda nyikomchenzi. The investigative insiders suggest that the extreme measures employed by the state are not solely aimed at silencing public dissent, rather they serve as a stark and unequivocal warning to internal rivals within the party, particularly those who might contemplating a leadership change. The current unrest, therefore, inadvertently illuminates a fierce succession battle that is tearing through the corridors of power, a struggle with implications far beyond the immediate protests. The government, leveraging the power of the police force, is actively suppressing dissent. A recent notice banning the Constitutional Defenders Forum from governing in military serves as a potent example of this uneven playing field. President Emmerson Mnangagwa must recognize the perilous implications of such actions. The moment opposing voices are stifled, the legitimacy of the entire process is irrevocably compromised, rendering the law discredited. Any outcome derived from such a flawed process becomes inherently contestable and illegitimate. Now, the President permitted those against his proposed amendment to engage freely, much like his supporters are doing. He could at least lay claim to fairness. As it stands, the conduct of his supporters and state security institutions is barring opposition. He has rendered the entire process contentious, not only among external critics, but also within the ranks of ZANU-PF itself, where internal dissent simmers. Ndoma developments aripo pangwa ine ipenda comment section yetu za fungu imo tudiva msirikwe chituko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.